Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Asana workflows with Gmail and Slack. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Asana workflows with Gmail and Slack, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Asana website and log into your account. Once logged in, access your workspace where you'll be setting up the integration. Next, go to the Apps section within your Asana dashboard. Search for the Gmail integration option and click on it. You will see an option to connect your Gmail account. Click the Connect button and a window will prompt you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Gmail credentials and allow Asana the necessary permissions to access your account. Once connected, you can configure the integration settings as needed. Now, let's proceed to integrate Slack with Asana. Return to the Apps section in Asana. Search for the Slack integration and select it. Click the Connect button to initiate the process. A pop-up will appear asking you to log into your Slack workspace. Enter your Slack credentials and grant Asana the required permissions. After the connection is established, you can customize the notifications and workflow settings. Now that both Gmail and Slack are integrated, you can start using these tools to enhance your Asana workflows. Test the integrations by creating a task in Asana and checking if notifications appear in Slack. Ensure that any emails sent from Asana to Gmail are received properly as well. Adjust any settings in the integrations if desired to streamline your workflow further. With these steps complete, you have successfully authenticated Asana workflows with Gmail and Slack. You are now ready to utilize these integrations effectively in your project management process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.